There's just something about the way nature holds space for us. In the rustle of leaves, in the silence between bird calls, in the shadow play of sunlight through trees. I remember who I am. As W.B. Yeats said, the world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper.
When life feels noisy or when I feel stuck, I go outside, not to escape, not to escape the everyday, but rather to come back to myself. Nature isn't just a place, it's a muse, it's a source of creative inspiration. It's a quiet teacher that reminds us of everything that matters most.
It's where ideas root, break open, and slowly stretch toward the light. The earth reminds me that not all growth is visible, that stillness has a pulse, that something small can one day become something towering, and that even the cracks can let water in.
In London, I had Trevor Hill. It's a magical little place that we called Trevor Hill with a friend of mine when we were 16, I think. And it was just this pocket of calm in a city that's always so busy, just flowing around you. And when I got back to Cyprus, I knew I had to find a new version of Trevor Hill. For me, that's the mountains out here. The Cyprus mountains are just different. The trees here are different. It feels dry but rich. It's home. So whenever I feel stuck or like it's time to get started with a new project, I come out to the mountains. I take a moment to just be in nature and feel calm.
It reminds me that comfort doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's just air, water, and time. Sometimes I collect things, stones, twigs, shadows, not because I need them, but because they remind me that creation doesn't always start with an idea. Sometimes it starts with paying attention, and that beauty is everywhere when you're paying attention. That even a fallen leaf holds the shape of wind and time. And in the wise words of Robert Frost, in 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. When I write, it's the silence that guides me, the stillness between thoughts. Nature doesn't rush, and neither should we. There's wisdom in its rhythm. Whether you're writing, painting, composing, or dreaming, creativity doesn't bloom in haste. It needs quiet, stillness, space to unfurl. If creativity was a part of nature, if it was an element, I think it would be the earth. not just the surface, but everything beneath. The soil where seeds sleep and dream, the roots that twist in the dark, unseen but vital. The patient ground that bears the weight of rain, of footsteps, of time. It's the birthplace of wildflowers and wildfires, a quiet force that creates and destroys and then creates again.
That's what creativity feels like for me. It's alive, it's layered, it's always becoming something new, always changing and evolving.
Nature doesn't demand anything, but if we listen, it gives us everything. It's wild, unapologetically full. It teaches me that cycles matter more than speed.
If you're feeling stuck, go outside. Take a deep breath and watch the light. Let the wind remind you that you're part of something bigger. And go back to your roots, to what you fell in love with in the first place when you started creating. And let yourself just begin again. So, tell me, is there some kind of nature that you love going back to every time you feel stuck? And if so, what do you do out here? Do you go for hikes? Do you swim? I love taking my dog for a hike, who you've seen today. That's Coda, by the way. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps with the algorithm. And if you want more cozy, simple living, intentional creativity, tips, tricks, and inspiration, subscribe, stick around, because that's basically what we do here. I'll leave another video linked somewhere here for you in case you want to watch more after this one. And thank you for spending time with me today.